What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. Today I'm making some almond punch, and listen, this was so good. If you love peanut punch, you will love this as well. So quick ingredients breakdown. You will need oats, vanilla extract, grated nutmeg. Here I have some raw almonds that I'm going to roast. You will need salt, plant milk. I'm using almond milk. You will need cinnamon. Here I have some Seamoss gel. I will put a link for the recipe. You will need flaxseed and agave to sweeten. Once the almonds cool, just add everything to your blender and blend until smooth. Once you've added everything to your blender, blend until smooth. I will put the full list and measurements of everything that I use in the description, so make sure you check that out. That's it, lovely people. This was rich and so good. The right balance of carbs, protein, healthy fats, and minerals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all try and enjoy this recipe. Have a productive week. Stay safe and bless upon yourself.